Good evening, everyone. What's up? I just ate a satisfying meal and topped it off with a measly dessert. This is Mr. Hotta speaking. Previously, I reviewed that nasty cereal bar. This is my 173rd review, and today's review is on Nature Valley Breakfast Biscuits Blueberry, naturally flavored with other natural flavors. Long last energy from 26 grams of whole grains. You can get these at Sam's Club. I think some Sam's Club have these in bulk. These have 230 calories per pouch. There are 4 biscuits in here. So that means there are like 60 calories a biscuit, and there are 4 of them. So there are 1.77 ounces, 50 grams of food in here. So the nutrition, 230 calories, 80 grams from fat, 9 grams of fat, 14%, saturated fat, 2 grams, 10%, polyunsaturated fat, 1.5%, monounsaturated fat, 5 grams, sodium, 170 milligrams, 7%, 115 milligrams of potassium, 3%, 33 grams of carbs, 11%, 4 grams of fiber, 16%, 12 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of protein, 6% iron. Ingredients: whole grain oats. Here's the ingredient flap. I'm just going to let you look at it for a little bit so you can see what it is. Whole grain oat flour, sugar, canola oil, whole grain barley flakes, honey, tapioca syrup, butter, dried blueberries, whey protein isolate, whole grain wheat flakes, baking soda, cornstarch, salt, natural flavor, oil of rosemary, contains wheat and milk. Okay, it's time to taste these. I'm going to try to get one of these biscuits out. Okay, so here's one of these blueberry biscuits. They smell like a cookie almost. They look like a cookie and smell like a cookie. They have a very nice blueberry smell, so this isn't artificial, thank goodness. They smell very sweet too, and these are very hard, so let's give these boys a taste. Oh my. Thin, sweet, crispy, and crunchy, packed with blueberry awesomeness flavor. Oh my goodness. Overall, I give these blueberry bad boys a 10 out of 10. Nice blast of blueberry flavor, crunchy, and it's got grains in it, so this isn't bad. Blueberry breakfast biscuits. Really cool alliteration right here, so these rock. That's all I have to say for this review. These are very calorie dense, so good night. See you on my 174th review. Good night.